Yes, sir. Welcome to my channel. About to make it happen again in this good kitchen. So we have some lamb chops right here. About to go ahead and clean these bad boys up. Nice rack. Cut them. Clean them up real good. Pat them dry. We're going to clean them in some lemon and white vinegar and water. We're going to make some lemon, garlic, lamb chops. But you know we go smother this in that good butter. So let's get it. Okay, so here we go right here. This is the season we're using. Old Bay seasoning, ultimate garlic, lime seasoning, onion powder. 2 tablespoons of each one. Okay. Some of this good A1 sauce. Apple cider vinegar. That's all you need. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and let this marinate in the refrigerator for 2 hours. And then we'll let it set out for 30 minutes. So it get nice and tender. All right, and now it's time to shine. Nice and seasoned, marinated. I'm using vegetable oil. I haven't lamb chops in a minute. I had to bring one of these videos out. I had to. It's been a while. Look at it. When I say it smells so good, man, it smells so good. Then we'll toss this bad boy in the oven. We'll drain most of this grease out, and we'll just go toss it in the oven. It's gonna be extra tender because the marinade with apple cider vinegar. Yeah. Okay, so we're about to toss these bad boys in the oven, 15 to 20 minutes on 400. And I say that smells so good. Look at it, man. Okay, so we have our butter. I'm using Imperial butter, 2 slices of lemon, green onions, squeeze our lemon juice in there. Okay. Paprika. The rest of it. A little sriracha sauce. Add a little strawberry jelly. It's optional. You don't have to use this. Oh yeah. Add our garlic. You know, it don't take long for your garlic to cook. Oh yeah, that smells very good. this fish go back in the oven, just like so. Okay, so here we go right here. Man, when I say this is fire, this is fire. That look fire. There's a lot of people out there don't like lamb chops because of the little gamey taste. All you have to do is just build your own flavor. You know what I mean? A little sweetness, spicy, you know, build your own flavor. Well, I did my thing right here in this good kitchen. Got them good lemon, garlic, butter. Yup. You know, I had to add a little asparagus to it with some Kobe Jack cheese. A little couple pieces of lemon. So I just did my thing right here in this good kitchen. And that Chick-fil-A sauce, you know what I mean? So I just did my thing right here in that good kitchen, made it happen. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Other than that, I had a good time filming with y'all. Don't forget to hit that bell notification. Like, comment, and share. Y'all have a good afternoon. God bless. Hit dice. Oh man, let's grab one of these bad boys real quick. You know, dip it. That is so good. Y'all have a good one. Appreciate the support. That is so good. I wish y'all could taste this.